Gentlemen, led by the Rudra helicopter or the ALH weapon systems integrated, जो कि भारत में निर्मित है. It is followed by the Dhruv helicopter, ALH Block 3, proudly carrying the national flag. Flanked on either side by two Cheetah helicopters carrying the Indian Army and Eastern Command. Today, the Rudra helicopter is being flown by Colonel Anupam Kaushik and Major Abhishek Mantri. Blue by Lieutenant Colonel A.S. Rangan and Captain Girish Parmar.
We will now witness a flypast by the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force aircraft. This flypast was a tribute to the three service chiefs during the 1971 war. You will first see the Indian Navy's Dornier aircraft, Dornier 228, a multi-role aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art sensors. It is employed for various missions that include maritime reconnaissance, para-jumps, medical evacuation. This is part of the Air Squadron 311 of the Indian Naval ship Dega. Please look up as you see the aircraft, the Dornier of the Indian Navy under the command of Lieutenant Commander Satyavrata Parija. The pilot in command is Lieutenant Commander Eldo John, assisted by co-pilot Lieutenant Commander V.S. Rana, and Air Operations Officer Lieutenant Commander Anirudh Panik. Now I would like to draw your attention to the formation being played by the Indian Air Force AN-32 and the Dornier aircraft. They will be approaching you in a big formation. Their call sign is SAM, in heroic memory of Field Marshals and Commander Ganguly of 59 Squadron. Close formation and flying requires a very high degree of concentration, discipline, synchronization and skill. Ladies and gentlemen, we intend to embark on a spectacular display of aerial might of the Sukhoi 30 MKI. Its call sign is Lal, after Air Chief Marshal P.C. Lal, Distinguished Flying Cross, the Chief of Air Staff of India during the war. Sukhoi 30 will be piloted by Wing Commander Sankar Temud and Flying Officer Gaurav Laksal of 106 Squadron. It will do a vertical charlie right in front of the decks. It comes in at 1,000 feet. The Sukhoi 30 is an all-weather air dominance fighter with an ability to undertake multiple operational missions both by day and night. It's capable of carrying highly sophisticated, state-of-the-art lethal air-to-ground weapons, including the powerful BrahMos.
Ladies and gentlemen, look to your left. He's got the lungs in the left hand, he's looking for the peg, and there you go, the peg is up in the air. Up to the hard bar. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you, one after the other. They are attached in ascending order. That is the height number 1 is the shortest, and height number 5 is the highest. There you go, that's Colonel Ahmed Singh Sinwar. He's on the course, he's crossed the third one, that's clear. He's going on to the fourth one, that is also clear. And the fifth one as well. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Colonel Ahmed Singh Sinwar. Next on the course is Major Tejender Singh, astride his young horse called Guru. He's cleared the third one, he's going on to the fourth one, that's clear. And the fifth one as well. The riders and the horses both are looking in a good shape. In the end, we have Captain Yatender, a young rider of the Army Service Corps. He's also one is a clear, and the fifth one a super clear round there for Colonel Ahmed Singh Sinwar. Right behind him is Tejender Singh, Guru. That was a big lead over the first one. The third one is a clear though. The fourth one as well. And there we go, the fifth one is also a clear. Right behind him is Captain Yatender. He's going to the fourth round, that's clear. And the fifth one as well. Lucky all the three riders. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third round, and as you can see, the heights have been further increased. For your interest, the height now is 1.50 meters. And the rider in front of you is Colonel Ahmed Singh Sinwar, who himself has got a national record broken in the 6-bar competition. The officer himself has jumped a height of 1.60 meters. The experience paying up now. Number 4 is a clear. And the level clear round, and there you go. Colonel Ahmed Singh Sinwar, the best show jumper we have in India right now. Next up, we have Major Yatan. Major Tejender, he's going on to the third one, that's clear. The score. Himself has won a gold medal recently in the national championship. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your breath now as the height of jump number 5 has been increased to 1.60 meters. Let us see if Colonel Amit Singh Sinwar can get through it. Colonel Amit Singh Sinwar has broken the national record after a gap of 25 years. Himself has got 58 national gold medals and international gold medals. Very, very, very good display there by all the riders.
কি করবো কারণ এখানে লোকজন দাঁড়িয়ে যাচ্ছে
Ladies and
আমাকে তো
gentlemen,
দাঁড়াতেই হবে
the
নাহলে
trick jumping in front of you, you can see Major Tejinder. He is jumping with an unusual jump. You can see a mosquito net, short wall. He's coming over it. He's got clear over it. He's now attempting.
হচ্ছে না সামনের লোকজন দাঁড়িয়ে যাচ্ছে দাঁড়াও না আমাকে দাঁড়াতে হবে কিছু করার নেই
There you see he's gone over it now.
চেয়ারটাতে দাঁড়াও না
And hold on to your breath now, ladies and gentlemen. Major Tejinder along with Guru will be jumping over the gypsy. And there you go. A smooth display there. Major Tejinder Singh. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the challenge has been increased. The ring of fire has been lit. And as the leader, Major Tejinder Singh will be coming first. Major Tejinder Singh. There you go, with just one hand. That was easy peasy for Major Tejinder. Next in line here is Captain Yaheda. Ladies and gentlemen, please with them.
চেয়ারটা সরিয়ে দাও না চেয়ার সরিয়ে দাও
চলে যাও না এই গ্যাপটাই যাও এখানটা ঢোকো
ওই তো এইখানে যাও না
আরে তুমি সুদীপ্তার পাশে যাও সুদীপ্তার পাশে যাও সাবজেক্টটাই মিস করে
Army Aviation Corps that will be showcased to you to give you a realistic first-hand experience of how the soldiers
ক্যামেরাটা পেছনে করো না ফ্রেমে আসো না
that carried out in the battlefield. 1st of November 1986 was an auspicious day in the history of Indian Army when its long quest for an aviation corps, the dynamic aerial maneuver arm, became a reality. In the future battlefield, Army aviation will be at the forefront of shaping the
রাখতে থাকো
battle
সারা স্যার ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে এই
by
হচ্ছে
gaining information dominance, protecting the force, sustaining the force and delivering decisive combat power at critical times virtually anywhere in the battlefield. It's over to Major Yatharth Gupta of the 659 Army Aviation Squadron to take you through the conduct of this show.
দেখলাম আর্মি কি করতে পারে কথা আমরা সেই আর্মিতেই নাকি ফ্রিল্যান্সার হ্যাঁ পার্মানেন্ট জব নেই
হ্যাঁ
কি করে ফেলেছে
আপনারা এবার সকলে ভারতীয় সেনাবাহিনীর যে এভিয়েশন কোর তাদের দুঃসাহসী কমান্ডোর কার্যকলাপ সম্পর্কে একটা ধারণা আপনারা করতে পারবেন। শত্রুপক্ষের অঙ্গনে ঢুকে পড়ে তাদের তছনছ করে কিভাবে আবার ফিরে চলে যাওয়া যায় সেই হেলিকপ্টারে সওয়ার হয়ে অন্য কোনো কাজে অন্য কোনো যুদ্ধ করতে হবে। আর্মি এভিয়েশন কোরের দুঃসাহসী কার্যকলাপ আপনারা প্রত্যক্ষ করবেন। The arena is being cleared before the Army Aviation Corps swings into action.
रेडियो सजनों आपके ठीक सामने ऐतिहासिक विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल हॉल संगमरमर से बनी एक खूबसूरत इमारत 1906 से 1921 के बीच बनी गई थी।
Ladies and gentlemen, अभी हम आपके सामने एक संक्षिप्त कॉम्बैट एविएशन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन का प्रदर्शन करेंगे। The timings and distances have been telescoped due to constraints of space and time, and maneuvers will be deliberately displayed much slower than outro for better comprehension. कुछ देर के लिए मान लीजिए सामने का इलाका दुश्मन का है।
जीता हेलीकॉप्टर
Suspected area needs to be reckoned for presence
না না
and location of the anti-national elements.
একটা নিচে রেখে দাও আপনি তোমার স্ট্যান্ডটা এখানে রেখে দাও না পিছনে রেখে দাও আমার পিছনে
আমাকে তো বলে দিয়েছে যে টাইমটা লাইভ ছিল
Ladies and gentlemen, please look to the left. You can see a cheetah helicopter of Army Aviation flying in, hugging the ground using folds of the earth known as the nape of the earth line. ये है Army Aviation का Scout helicopter being flown by Lieutenant
चीता
आप देख सकते हैं चीता वन ने खास तकनीक का इस्तेमाल करके आतंकवादियों के ठिकाने का पता लगा लिया है. After locating the target area, the cheetah swiftly flies away, simultaneously passing the location of target to the attack helicopters. Ladies and gentlemen, आपके सामने प्रकट होने वाले हैं हमारे देश में बने हुए रुद्र हेलीकॉप्टर जो कि अटैक हेलीकॉप्टर्स हैं. DHAL Rudra, also known as the ALH-WSI, is an armed version of the Dhruv helicopter. इसमें मौजूद 20 mm machine guns, 70 mm rocket, air to ground और air to air missiles आज के खतरनाक वेपन सिस्टम्स हैं जिनका इस्तेमाल करके ये जहाज किसी भी दुश्मन को निस्तनाबूद कर सकता है. Ladies and gentlemen, Rudra 1 is now carrying out an armed helicopter strafing run and combat maneuvers to engage the target area in front of you.
हेलीकॉप्टर के दिखছে सिग्नल दिखছে
Rudra helicopters offer the task of hunter locates the target and provides cover to the killer aircraft, which is the Rudra 2. Thereafter, Rudra 2 engages the target. Due to the restrictions of space and terrain, Rudra 1 will show you the role of hunter. It is being flown by maneuverability and agility demonstrated by a commando team flown in by two Dhruv helicopters of Army Aviation and slithering down. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see two Dhruv helicopters carrying the commandos. This team will be slithering from a height of 10 meters above the ground, thereafter attacking the enemy, conquer and destroy the same. Securing their position and preparing to assault the enemy. You can see in the front, the raiding team is facing some resistance from the enemy mortars placed over 5 kilometers from here. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cheetah helicopter flown by flawless pilots firing a 120 mm mortar AP-1 light regiment to engage the enemy mortars. I know the team हमारे एक जांबाज कमांडो को गोली लग गई है, जिनको जल्द ही जल्द इवैक्यूएट करना पड़ेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, if you look straight, you will be able to see a cheetah helicopter moving in, using its size, maneuverability, and terrain to avoid enemy detection, coming in to evacuate the wounded soldier. As depicted earlier, landing is not an option here due to restrictions of space and terrain. In such cases, the helicopter carries out winching operations to pick up the casualty without landing. The casualty is winched up and removed to safety at the earth. Ladies and gentlemen, इस लड़ाई में विजय पाने के बाद कमांडो टीम को अभी एक दूसरे मिशन के लिए जाना होगा to extricate troops from a constricted space where the helicopter cannot touch down. The STY technique is used. This is the quickest method of escaping the troops in enemy dominated area and requires thorough understanding between army aviators and the special forces. Here we'll see para-commandos of 12 para-special forces being extricated by Group Mark III helicopters of 204 Army Aviation Squadron, flown by Lieutenant Colonel A.S. Ranger, Captain Girish, Major Ritvik Raghuvanshi, and Lieutenant Commander Jitesh Raghav. Group helicopters of 204 Army Aviation Squadron in front of the ladies and gentlemen.
drill team of the Indian Air Force, which has bagged various national and international awards, and this is the very first drill team of the Indian Armed Forces. It's over to Corporal Devesh of the Indian Air Force to take you through the rifle drill. আপনারা এখন দেখবেন ভারতীয় বিমান বাহিনীর যে জওয়ান তাদের রাইফেল ড্রিল এয়ার ওয়ারিয়র ড্রিল টিম।
আচ্ছা লাস্টে
Hello. Hey, brother.
লাইভ নড়ায় না, তুমি নড়িয়ে দিচ্ছ কারণ হাত নড়ে আসছে না, অসুবিধা হবে ছেড়ে দিতে
না ছেড়ে দিয়েছিলাম নেয়নি
অনেকক্ষণ করে দেয় 2 মিনিট 3 মিনিট 4 মিনিট আটকে থাকবে। জিও সমস্যা তো জিও করে রাখো।
Duty Marjan will perform unconventional and breathtaking rifle maneuver which will leave you enthralled and awestruck. The motto of the team is drill to thrill.
তোমার নিচে আটকাও জায়গা নেই, এটা নিচে কোথাও আটকা থাকছে না কোনো আটকে রাখো।
As we take you through the display of precision rifle drill,
Bas,
which is the
ছেড়ে দাও।
first formation, the square formation.
ঠিক আছে বাস এই রাখো, নড়াবে না এবার।
From square formation,
এটাকে ছেড়ে দাও,
the team will advance
ওইখানে
forward
নড়াবে না, থাকুক
with their impressive
বডি ওয়েটটা
rifle skills.
জোরে জোরে থাকবে। আর যখন খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট থাকবে আপনার যদি করা হয়ে যাবে তো এগিয়ে দিতে পারবে।
You will now see the team make a W formation right in front of you while performing a series of drill movements.
বুঝে যাচ্ছে না দু মুহূর্তে না গেলে
The drill which they perform is a combination of intricate movements which is now presented to you after immense practice.
ওইটা ভালো ছিল
Team is now marching in W formation while the air warriors display the daredevil act of throwing and catching the rifle simultaneously by marching.
আগে যে লাইফগুলো অফিসের মধ্যে একেবারে নেটওয়ার্ক ছিল না
This part is performing solo advantage, which is a combination of agility, flexibility, and strength.
ফেরে ব্যাগ নিচ্ছ আমার তোমারই তো
Team now switches over to Bombers formation.
আমার এই মোবাইলে হয় না সব করে
If he comes here, then when I'll stand, I'll not stand here. See, there are other
Gentlemen, it's time now to present to you one of the most difficult and breathtaking maneuver as the air warriors will throw the rifle to permanent rear man. You will be shocked after knowing that the distance between them is approximately 12 feet. drill exercises performed in synchronization and continuous.
ওই দিকটা বসলে ভালো হতো। আমার পাশে যদি বসে যে ও চলে গেল ওখানে আমি ভালো
We are now witnessing a combination of mesmerizing coordination by these air warriors.
অফিসাররা তো সব ওখানে বসে
Will signify discipline and intensity of training. It inculcates the feeling of pride in uniform and spirit of teamwork. And they have moved discipline and marching the way of life in our forces.
অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ঠিক আমাদের দিনে বানিয়েছে এদিকে, হ্যাঁ এদিকে ফ্রেমটা জন্য।
Of endurance in the individual, but also maximizes their combat effectiveness.
আমি প্যারাশুটটা উঠে তখন লাইটটা
And now once again, ladies and gentlemen, now the team is marching in zigzag formation by performing a chain of different synchronized movements. Meanwhile, Alice Sarangari Squad is right again amongst us to perform solo advanced movements. Team is now plunging themselves into a new formation, the arc formation, and this zero error movement will be performed gracefully by these air warriors right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, while you all enjoy the drill movements, take care to the team of the team. Today, team is led by NSC Vikram. The members of the team are in the middle rank, top by direction behind LAC Raghuvanshi, Viren, Ravindra, Aman, HK Nath, Raghav, Prabhu, and LAC Lokesh. In the outer rank, we have LAC Azad Singh, Nitesh, Ravi, Arvind, Manoj, Utkar, Kumar, Shivam, AK Rai, and LAC Petri. Under the able guidance of its officer in charge, Wing Commander Pradhan Khanna, we have elected the squad in Rakas Khandas and Captain General Rajvardhan Upadhyay. The team aspires to season ready.
নিয়ে যাবো তাহলে একটা কোনটা নিতে ওই হেলিকপ্টারটা দেখে না ওটা
Team now prepares itself for the grand finale, the tunnel formation, which is the most thrilling moment of the day.
আমাকে বল দেখ বাবা নিয়ে যাবে এই একটা ঘোড়া চাইছে ছেলেদের ঘোড়া চাইছে
Ladies and gentlemen, watch out for the last and final moment of the team leader. Going to take the precedence of his teammates by passing through the tunnel and rotating rifles with their bayonets.
এখন বল হলে আবার উঠে যাবে এগুলো আর ভালো লাগছে না
This moment is one of the most between mind and body.
ঘোড়াটাও কিন্তু সবাই আরে সুদীপ্তা দি বাবা
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. This is our air warrior victory function. We are men in group. We are Indian Air Force.
Air warriors of Indian Air Force, touching the skies with glory. For 91 years, since 1932, the Indian Air Force. Gentlemen, we have had
some more flying officer Nimbledip Singh for Italian depot.
ভালো করে দেখ
Ladies and gentlemen, after that beautifully coordinated air warrior drill display, let us move on with the next event in front of you, which is the mule trick ride. Animals and birds long been assisted by humans in the theatre of war. What is most remarkable is the loyalty and dedication combined with their unique physical qualities which they exhibit in the most adverse conditions. The forward posts of the Indian Army are inaccessible areas at times not protected by rope. So ladies and gentlemen, have you ever thought how supplies like ration, arms and ammunition are sent to these posts? It is done by the mules of the Army Service Corps of the Indian Army that carry all the material for months to these forward posts on top of the mountains. They will सजनों आप सबके सामने सिपाही पीटी रेड्डी यूट्यूब पर सवार सिपाही घनश्याम पर सवार सिपाही दिनेश्वर राणा बादशाह मुख्य अतिथि को सलामी पेश करें
Mules belonging to the 877 Army Transport Battalion of the Army Service Corps, the Team Captain Havildar Raju, the Team ACO Man Sabadar Vishwa.
और आप सबके सामने आपका प्यारा जोकर स्पाइक शानमार साथ में बाकी किंग राजू दोनों ज़ेब्रा पर सवार आप सबका मनोरंजन करते हुए और मुख्य अतिथि को सलामी देते हुए
वीडियो पर्सन
देवियों सजनों जोरदार तालियों के साथ इन सभी जवानों का और जानवरों का हौसला अफजाई कीजिए
ময়দানের ছবি দেখাচ্ছি যেখানে ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি তাদের টাটু প্রদর্শন করছে যে প্রদর্শন মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের দেখানো হচ্ছে মূলত
Very recently, the Indian government has given
বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন 16 ডিসেম্বর বিজয় দিবস বাংলাদেশ মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের এবং তার সঙ্গে ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির সহযোগিতায় যে যুদ্ধ জয় লাভ করেছিলেন বাংলাদেশ আর্মি এবং তারপরে বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীনতা লাভ হয়েছিল সেই বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন প্রত্যেকবার চালু হয় এবছরও সেই বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন হচ্ছে আরসিবি ময়দানে ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি তাদের ট্যাটু প্রদর্শন করছে এই মুহূর্তে ঘোড়সওয়াররা তারা কিন্তু ময়দানে হাজির
and returned to an Indian post
একের পর এক ড্রিল চলছে
of Pakistani ammunition on her back. He was honored by the Indian Army.
পাকিস্তান বাংলাদেশের যে যুদ্ধ সেই পাকিস্তান বাংলাদেশের যুদ্ধে মাত্র 13 দিনের মধ্যেই পরাজয় লাভ করেছিল পাকিস্তান তাদের সহযোগিতা করেছিলেন ভারতীয় সেনারা সেই ভারতীয় সেনারা সেই বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন প্রত্যেকবারই করা হয় এই বছরও যেটা বাদ করেনি আজকে 15 ডিসেম্বর বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন করা হচ্ছে আরসিবিসি গ্রাউন্ডে চলছে ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি ড্রিল
As easy as it may look, it takes years and months of practice to attain this kind of coordination and the faith amongst the horse and the rider. It may interest you to know that, as mentioned earlier, in a display of effective defense cooperation between the Indian Army and the Bangladesh Army, the Indian Army had gifted 50 mules fully trained and ready for deployment. The mules were handed over at the Indo-Bangladesh border. Not only that, the Bangladeshi men were also trained on how to handle the mules while discharging the critical functions. Ladies and gentlemen, you must have seen gymnastics being done on a wooden horse, and today in front of you it has been done on a large.
মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের সহযোগিতায়
Again,
ইন্ডিয়ান
in
আর্মি
2020, the Indian Army had handed over 20 fully trained military horses
পরাস্ত
and 10
করেছিল
unprotected dogs
সেই
to
সময়
their Bangladesh
পাকিস্তানি
counterpart, which signifies the growing bilateral
সেই
and
বিজয়
ties
দিবস
between
উদযাপন হচ্ছে
India and Dhaka. Ladies and gentlemen, the challenge has been increased. There you go. And through the wing of fire, that was by Shanma. And right behind him, that was by Ghanshyam. Up next is Sipahi PG Reddy.
একের পর এক কীর্তি দেখাচ্ছেন ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি সেনারা
A wonderful display there by all the muleteers. And in the end is our joker. Can he go through the fire? And he is sat on the mule and running away. The animal transport, as always, supports the
গ্রাউন্ড যেটা
entry
হেলিপ্যাড বলা হয়
and areas
সেখানেই চলছে
accessible by other
ইন্ডিয়ান
means of
আর্মির
transportation.
অভিনব ডের
It therefore forms the branch of the
Epic
corps
or
which
epic.
invariably operates in the combat zone. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you, you can see the human pyramid being formed by the team horse flyers
এই
of the
দৃশ্য দেখার জন্য
877
প্রচুর মানুষের
Battalion of the Army Service Corps.
রয়েছেন মুক্তিযোদ্ধারা ইস্টার্ন কমান্ডের জেনারেল তিনিও রয়েছেন কালিতা
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please give them a huge round of applause. The team horse flyers of the Army Service Corps from 877 AT Battalion. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the ground is now being prepared for the next event, which is the tent pegging. Tent pegging, ladies and gentlemen, is a cavalry sport of ancient times, and it refers to a specific mountain range with ground target called the pegs and pointy
ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির
edge
অভিনব
weapons called the
ড্রিল
lance,
সেই ড্রিল
sword,
সরাসরি
and
আমরা
the
দেখাচ্ছি
bayonet. First event which will be done in front of you will be triple tent pegging. It will be performed by Naik Sandeep and his horse
বাংলাদেশের
Arjun.
মুক্তিযুদ্ধ সেই
In
মুক্তিযুদ্ধ
middle of the ground, we will have an surrender. Please give it the track. Look to your left. Maybe it's Arjun. Naik Sandeep, the Gori Arjun puts the ball over the lance. Finale has carry pick up the first, but that's in the air. He's going on to the middle one. He's taking out his sword. Can he pick it up? And yes, he has. He's now going ahead to the bayonet. Can he pick up the third bag? And there we go. A hat-trick there for Naik Sandeep and his horse Arjun.
ঘোড়সাওয়ারদের কীর্তি আমরা দেখলাম ফ্ল্যাগ তোলা হলো দৌড়ে এসে তুললেন ফ্ল্যাগ ঘোড়ায় সাওয়ার করে ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি সন্দীপ
And picks up a gun from the ground. Soon we will witness the exact same gravity-defying act with just one difference. A very own Sylvester Stallone as Sipai Akhtar, a strike gold star, will be putting up pressure there by Sipai Akhtar. The next
ফ্ল্যাগ লুকিয়ে রাখা হয়েছিল মাঠের মধ্যে দৌড়ে এসে ঘোড়ার পিঠে
picking up the lance and galloping speed.
দৌড়ে এসে ঘোড়ার পিঠে করে
Perform the
সেই
tent pegging.
ফ্ল্যাগ তোলা এবং পায়রা লুকিয়ে রাখা হয়েছিল সেই পায়রাটি বার করলেন ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির ঘোড়সাওয়ার এইভাবেই তাদের যুদ্ধক্ষেত্রেও লুকিয়ে রাখা জিনিস ঘোড়ার পিঠে চেপে খুঁজে বার করতে পারে
कुछ क्षणों में हवलदार जितेंद्र अपने घोड़े अभय गामा के साथ हवा से तेज
দেখানো
पथ
হলো
करते हुए
দেখানো
आएंगे.
হয়েছে এখানে বোফোর্স উড়ানো হয়েছে
He will be coming only holding the horse. He has to first pick up the lance
অভিনব
and then go
দৃশ্য
ahead to pick
ইন্ডিয়ান
up
আর্মি
the peg. Indication has been given, ladies and gentlemen. Picture that we will be able to see Hawaldar Jitendra. He has to pick up the lance first, and yes, he has. He's lost it, but he takes up the second one. He picked up the sword, and he missed it by chance. Ladies and gentlemen, the riders have just 1/4 of a second to coordinate their horse, control the speed, hold the horse from the left hand side, hold the weapon on the right, and then go ahead for the pick.
গ্রাউন্ডে উঠছে
It is difficult.
ইন্ডিয়ান
Ladies and gentlemen, the next event is cross tent pegging. In this, you will see Naik Sandeep astride Arjun coming from the right, and Hawaldar Jitendra astride Abhay Gama coming from
রাখা
the left.
হয়েছে এখানে বেশ কিছু
देवी
কামান
सज्जनों इस बार घोड़े दोनों ही छोर से आएंगे. नायक संदीप अर्जुन पर सवार दाहिनी ओर से और हवलदार जितेंद्र अभय गामा पर सवार बाईं ओर से.
ঘোড়সাওয়াররা তাদের কীর্তি দেখাচ্ছেন ইন্ডিয়ান
This
আর্মির ঘোড়সাওয়ার
event was invented to train the cavalry for a surprise attack at night. Idea was to attack unsuspecting enemy camps under cover of the night. The pegs placed here are to depict the pegs of the enemy tents. Ladies and gentlemen, the indication has been given. Look to your right, you will be able to see Naik Sandeep, and on the left, you will be able to see Hawaldar Jitendra. Both coming galloping towards the center of the ground, wanting to pick up the peg. Can they pick it up? That's Naik Sandeep along with the horse. He's picked up his peg, and both of them have got the targets up in the air.
কিভাবে ছুটে এসে টার্গেটকে একেবারে তুলে নিলেন ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির ঘোড়সাওয়াররা
The next event, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be bottle shooting. It will be done by Major Tejinder. Ladies and gentlemen, look to your left. You shall be able to see Major Tejinder astride Guru. You must have seen people shooting on the static ground, but here's Major Tejinder. He's going to shoot the bottle right in front of him. And there you go. He's got the little bottle.
ঘোড়ার পিঠে চেপে যথেষ্ট গতিবেগে হাতে বন্দুক নিয়ে একদম ব্যাং অন টার্গেটে শুট করলেন মেজর বিজেপি।
Not one, not two, not three, but 4 horses are going to come together like a cavalry charge on an enemy tent. In a short while from now, you shall see Havaldar Jitendra Kumar astride Abhay, Naik T. Sarkar astride Rolldown, Naik Sandeep astride Arjun, and Payapar astride Goldstar. देवियों सज्जनों की भाइयों देखिए, कुछ ही क्षणों में आप देख पाएंगे 4 घुड़सवार मैदान के बीच आते रहेंगे। Ladies and gentlemen, this is a spine-thrilling act. There you see, all the 4 riders are now coming. First up is the Payapar. He's gone for the first leg. Exactly to see it right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the Indian file. Havaldar Jitendra Kumar and T. Sarkar. That's the Payapar. Coming one after the other. Ladies and gentlemen, look to the right. First up is the Payapar. He's picked up the pen. That is T. Sarkar. He's picked it up too. Can we have the third one? He picked up. Not clear. He needs to clear it up. Oh my God! Oh yes! The rider is safe. The horse is very, very happy. And the pen is up in the air. A spectacular show there. A surprise element there by the army for the score.
রোমহর্ষক দৃশ্য দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now see skydiving by the Army Adventure Wing.
স্কাই ডাইভিং আর কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে স্কাই ডাইভিং শুরু হবে, সেই দিকেও কিন্তু আমরা নজর রাখবো। স্কাই ডাইভিং
And I believe we are not yet done by the riders' show. There's the last one up in front of you, which is the hanky-picking done again by Sipai Akhtar, astride his beautiful horse called the Gold Star.
এখানে রং দেওয়া হচ্ছে, রং
Ladies
ওড়ানো
and
হবে।
gentlemen, please look to your left for the very last time. That's Sipai Akhtar astride Gold Star. He is going to try to pick up all the hankies. Being put up in the colors of Bangladesh. There's Sipai Akhtar. He's coming up. He's looking down and he's picked up the first one. That's up in the air. He's looking for the second one now. Can he pick it up? Yes, he has. And can we have the third hanky up in the air? A beautiful ladies gifted. He's
জাতীয় পতাকার রঙে 3টে রং তুললেন
Ladies and gentlemen, please look up to the heavens. Does it seem insane to you that anybody will ever skydive? That people would intentionally fly way up in the sky and then jump out of an
ইতিমধ্যেই আকাশে
airplane?
উঠতে শুরু করেছে স্কাই
Does
ডাইভিং।
it seem a little too risky for normal people? But the Army skydivers do exactly that. In a little while they'll do a spectacular skydiving show. The Army has had a historical and professional link with skydiving, as its paratroopers also use this technique in war. We all remember the legendary Tangail airdrop 52 years ago.
একের পর এক শো, একের পর এক বাংলাদেশ মুক্তিযুদ্ধের যে স্মৃতি ধরে রাখার জন্য বর্ষপূর্তির জন্য প্রত্যেক বছরই করা হয়। ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির তরফ থেকে এবারও করা হয়েছে। আমরা
Took
স্কাই
some
ডাইভিং
recon photographs to find suitable drop zones for the paradrop, and the photos taken by cameras were later handed over to the Eastern Command, giving the green light for the operation. In the actual operation, 700 brave lads of the 2nd Parachute Battalion, led by Lieutenant Colonel Banu, boarded Anthony AM-12 Fairtime C-119 flying boxcar aircraft, carriers and Dagger aircraft, and jumped straight onto Tangai. The Indian Army skydiving team up there, captained by Colonel Vishal Chopra, Senior Medal Commandant 31 Field Ammunition Depot, Bengal Sub-Area. Major Nirvin Singh Gill, 6-1 GR, Havaldar Rakesh Yadav, 9 Parafield Regiment, Havaldar B.M. Patil, 22 Maratha Light Infantry, 5 Murad Das, 16 Parafield Regiment.
देखिए सचमुच जोरदार तालियों के साथ विशाल चोपड़ा सेना मेडल का स्वागत कीजिए।
He's carrying the tricolour. He's from the Army of the Score. It's over. Skydive, and is the skydiving instructor since 2013. Part of the Indian team since 2008.
আস্তে আস্তে পরিষ্কার হচ্ছে
আমাদের সকলের 11ই ডিসেম্বর 1971-এ টাঙ্গাইল এয়ারড্রপের কথা মনে থাকবে। সেখানে 700 জন প্যারাট্রুপার ভারতীয় বিমান বাহিনীর কয়েকটি এয়ারক্রাফট থেকে প্যারাচুটের মাধ্যমে
অসাধারণ দৃশ্য
টাঙ্গাইলের যুদ্ধক্ষেত্র অধিগ্রহণ করেছিল পাকিস্তানি সেনাবাহিনীর কাছ থেকে।
প্যারাশুট তাতেই
Foremost skydivers up there to the heavens. Having Eastern Command flag is Habibullah Rahid Yadav from the Corps of Artillery with more than 250 skydives to his credit. Here comes with the Vijay Diwas flag, Havildar B.M. Patil. Cruising to the ground
Indian Army drill.
when the Indian Army flag made the nip-and-kill from the infantry with more than 200 skydives as part of the team since 2018.
কি হয়েছে বলো তাড়াতাড়ি বলো
He comes up with the parachute, jumps out of an airplane, and by spreading his body in a box position, attains a speed of 200 feet per second or 200 kilometers per hour. And his limbs act like wings. And that's finally Habibullah Pradeep Dar from the Corps of Artillery.
Skydiving, ladies and gentlemen, is it about the thrill or the pump of adrenaline, or the rush of wind, or even the breathless view of the landscape? It is simply about flying. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big hand for the Indian Army Skydivers team for a spectacular show today in front of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's not all. You have more heart-stopping stunts to follow. The Corps of Signals motorcycle rider display team, called the Daredevils, had its first display in India, in Shimla on the 9th and 11th of March 1935. Led by young and dynamic leader, they are stationed at Jabalpur and
বাইক বাহিনী ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির বাইক বাহিনী আসছে মাঠের ভেতর বাইক রাইডারদের প্রদর্শন চলছে
Surrender Pratap Singh and 15 heroic daredevils on the Royal Enfield retreat, coming towards the heads to do a standing salute to the Western King. Lieutenant General Ramakrishna Kalita.
Daredevils का हौसला अफजाई.
The opening salute done. আপনারা দেখছেন ভারতীয় সেনাবাহিনীর কোর অফ সিগন্যালের মোটরসাইকেল আরোহী দল ডেয়ারডেভিলস।
ডাবল ক্রসিং, একই গতিবেগ রেখে এক বাইকের মাঝখান দিয়ে আরেকটি টিম চলে যাওয়া, এটাকে ডাবল ক্রসিং বলা হচ্ছে, কিন্তু কোনো রকম দুর্ঘটনা ঘটেনি। এটাই হচ্ছে নিয়ন্ত্রণ, একাগ্রতা। ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি বাইক রাইডিং প্রদর্শন চলছে। প্রচন্ড স্পিডে, প্রচন্ড গতিবেগে একে অপরকে ক্রস করা,
They've just done a parallel crossing.
এদের সকলেরই প্রশিক্ষণ রয়েছে অবশ্যই, যেগুলো নিজেরা
This they call chain and scissor crossing.
পর পর লাইন যাচ্ছে, ক্রস করা হচ্ছে, তারই মধ্যে
Sridhar Pratap Singh.
সুবেদার প্রতাপ সিংয়ের নেতৃত্বে এই ক্রসিং চলছে। স্পিড মেনটেন করে একে অপরকে ক্রস করা একই স্পিডে। চলছে বিজয় দিবস সেলিব্রেশন, বিজয় দিবসের সেলিব্রেশন বর্ষপূর্তি।
Ladies and gentlemen, of course, in your
প্রত্যেকবারই
sequence,
ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির তরফ থেকে
as you witness this
মিলিটারি
fun,
টাট্টু আয়োজন করা হয়। সেই মিলিটারি
they
টাট্টু
have aptly named
চলছে
suicidal
রাউন্ডে।
crossing. Now look at this.
সুইসাইডাল ক্রসিং, সুইসাইডাল ক্রসিং।
The suicidal crossing, give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Sridhar Pratap Singh and the 15 Daredevils.
সুবেদার প্রতাপ সিংয়ের নেতৃত্বে 15 জন বাইক আরোহী এই বিপজ্জনক স্টান্ট, একেবারেই বিপজ্জনক স্টান্ট বলা যায়, তারা করে দেখালেন আরসিপিসি গ্রাউন্ডে।
That's the Tivra Chokas, the Corps of Signals logo or symbol. Tivra Chokas, not a Jimmy, being done by Mike
একের পর এক প্রদর্শন চলছে।
They call it the signal rocket. Like missile and landslide missile man. And the Army Parade on Kartavya Path had broken all records by doing this on an 18-feet ladder. And that's a world record. A big hand for Havildar Sujit Mondal.
হাওয়ালদার সুজিত মণ্ডল, তিনি এই কীর্তি দেখাচ্ছেন বাইকের মধ্যে
Doing this
ল্যাডার
solo
দিয়ে
ladder
তিনি
ride.
উঠেছেন। তিনি ওয়ার্ল্ড রেকর্ডেও নাম নথিভুক্ত করিয়ে ফেলেছেন ইতিমধ্যেই। 18 ফিটের সিঁড়িতে একাই তিনি বাইক চালিয়ে উঠে গিয়েছিলেন। হাওয়ালদার সুজিত মণ্ডলের কীর্তি আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, বাইকের ওপর ল্যাডার দিয়ে তিনি উঠে পড়েছেন, মই দিয়ে তিনি উঠে পড়েছেন। ভারতীয় সেনার অসাধারণ কীর্তি। ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মির ইস্টার্ন কমান্ডের তরফ থেকে প্রত্যেক বছরই বিজয় দিবস সেলিব্রেট করার জন্য এই মিলিটারি টাট্টুর আয়োজন করা হয়। সেই মিলিটারি টাট্টু চলছে এই মুহূর্তে আরসিপিসি গ্রাউন্ডে। একের পর এক প্রদর্শন ভারতীয় সেনার তরফ থেকে করা হচ্ছে।
Here comes Sumedar Pratap.
16 ডিসেম্বর বাংলাদেশ
8 Daredevils with Central Quartermaster Hamdar Anil Kumar in the lead, doing a Shraddhanjali. We request you to kindly greet them. They are doing namaste to all of us. That's the Shraddhanjali.
श्रद्धांजलि को आप को मिस्टर भाई
8 Daredevils doing Shraddhanjali.
ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মি অনেকেই শহীদ হয়েছিলেন সেই যুদ্ধে তাদেরকেও
This
শ্রদ্ধাঞ্জলি
is the lotus petals, and while we proudly hold aloft the Indian Army flag, 10 of them, with Sumedar Pratap Singh in the lead.
একটি বাইকে চেপেছিলেন 10 জন
Now these two riders, they've been doing a wonderful job. The world record for the longest ramp jump over 400cc motorcycle was broken by Captain Vikrant Kataria. This was now the performer Havildar S.K. Jena.
অনেকেই শুয়ে পড়েছেন মাটিতে এবং তাদের ওপর দিয়ে বাইক উড়ে যাবে সকলেই শুয়ে পড়েছেন মাটিতে তাদের ওপর দিয়ে বাইকটি উড়ে যাবে এখন দেখা যাচ্ছে দূরে সেই প্রদর্শন
Havildar S.K. Jena. Big
প্রায়
hand.
11 জন পরপর শুয়েছিলেন তাদের ওপর দিয়ে বাইক উড়ে গেল
চোখ চশমা বয়স হয়ে গেল আমরা দাঁড়িয়ে আছি
Truly, devils, I really don't know why they call themselves comic daredevils, but they're certainly lying on a bike while it's moving.
এদিকে আর কিছু আসবে না এদিকে বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে গেটটা
As
যা আছে
easy
মাঠের
as
মধ্যে
it
আছে
gets. A big hand for the comic ride. And here comes the last point.
শেষ প্রদর্শন বাইক রাইডারদের শেষ প্রদর্শন অসাধারণ ছবি
There comes the pyramid. Sumedar Pratap Singh with 27 daredevils on 7 Royal Enfield bullets.
7টি রয়্যাল এনফিল্ড বুলেটস
Proudly holding aloft the national tricolour,
হচ্ছে সঙ্গে ব্যালেন্স
the flag of the Indian Army, and of course the regimental flag. That's the 28th soldier pyramid.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause. The Daredevil team for the corps of singers. और अब मेरे सज्जनों शो खत्म नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है अपनी नजर अपनी दाहिने ओर ले जाइए and please welcome to the ground the microlight demonstration team which is called Team Flying Rabbits. In a short while from now you shall be able to see the Flying Rabbits of the microlights from the Army Adventure Nodal Center Gaya. The microlight
ওই তো উপরে
aircrafts
উপরে
are
আকাশে
aircraft with all of weight less than 500 kgs. The cruise speed of these aircraft is anywhere between 90 to 140 kilometers and the ceiling height is 15,000 feet. The first aircraft, ladies and gentlemen, has entered the ground. It is carrying the banner Vijay Diwas Celebrations 2023, flown today by Colonel Rahul Mankotia and handled by Prafulla Phukan. And right behind him is the second aircraft displaying the banner Long Live Indo-Bangladesh Friendship, flown today by Naik Pradeep Singh and co-piloted by Havildar J. Devnath.
ঘুরে আসছে।
And with a big hand, please welcome the third aircraft displaying the banner Salute to our soldiers, flown today by Havildar Survey SD and co-piloted by Shankar Pradhan. The Army Adventure Nodal Center Microlight is the pioneer in microlight flying. They conduct microlight courses for all ranks of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and even the Coast Guards. They have conducted various air shows all across the country and have undertaken various microlight flying expeditions. They are the holders of 5 Asian and 16 Indian records in microlight flying. The node has more than 23 hours of flying to its credit. And the team flying routes today is led by Colonel Rahul Mankotia. Ladies and gentlemen, soon from the right you shall see Colonel Rahul Mankotia coming to the center of the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a fantastic weapon and equipment display to the left. Please do not go away without visiting the display. You have guns, you have field guns, you have radars, you have drone jamming systems, you have the mighty Bofors to see, and you have various other signal systems. You have man-portable satellite terminal, you have an optical time domain reflectometer, you have splicing machines, and you have, as I said, various kinds of radars. You also have the Navy displaying various kinds of ships. They are showing weapons, they are showing the INSAS, the LMGs, models of ships, and a lot more. Please visit the weapon and equipment display of the Indian Armed Forces.
Ladies and gentlemen, please look to the front. You can see the Victoria Memorial Wall, which is in fact the largest monument to be dedicated to a monarch anywhere in the world. And right on top of the Victoria Memorial, you can see a hazy black figure. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a 16 feet tall statue of Angel of Victory, which is mounted on a ball bearing atop the dome, and it revolves along with the wind. विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल के ठीक दाहिने तरफ इतिहास और नवीनतम का एक और खूबसूरत नजारा, the Fortune Building, a staggering 65-floor high residential skyscraper located on the Chaurangi Road. It may interest you to know that the premises of the building belong to the Maharaja of Darbhanga. Look to your friend, ladies and gentlemen, you can see an aircraft carrying the national flag and the Indian Army flag from the microlight aircraft. The dimension of both the flags is 12 by 9 feet. These are the largest flags ever being displayed by microlight aircraft till date anywhere in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big hand. And now we have the aircraft displaying the flag of Army Service Corps being flown today by Havildar Survey ST, co-piloted by Spy Shankar Pradhan. Monty your left, ladies and gentlemen, take up the bio Vidyasagar Singh. 823 मीटर लंबा ये पुल केबल से जुड़ा हुआ भारत का सबसे बड़ा पुल। It was the second bridge to be built on the Hooghly River, the first one being the famous Howrah Bridge. Vidyasagar Singh, who was named after Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, and was born in the year 1992. On to your right, ladies and gentlemen, is the headquarters of Bengal area. It is one of the oldest started formations of the Indian Army. The headquarters Bengal area was raised in Bengal Command at Fort William on 1st March 1895 by Lieutenant General Sir V.K. Ellis. It moved to its present location at 246 A.J.C. Road in September 1995. The Bengal area has distinction of participating in World War II, 1962 War and 1971 operations. और हमारे ठीक पीछे right behind us is the Royal Calcutta Club, one of the oldest horse racing organizations, which was founded in the year 1847. The RCT became the foremost horse riding organization in India during the British Raj.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, reminding you that it will be in your interest to see the women and equipment display.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you look to your right, you will be able to see Colonel Rahul Mandotia. He will be attempting a touchdown right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold on to your breath. That's Colonel Rahul Mandotia of the Army Service Corps, and he's trying to attempt a touchdown right in front of us at the Maidan. A historic moment indeed. Here we go, he's coming down, a smooth touchdown, and he goes up again in the air. Colonel Rahul Mandotia of the Army Service Corps. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Ladies and gentlemen, the military tattoo to celebrate Vijay Diwas tomorrow has come to an end. We hope that you enjoyed it as much as we did bringing it to you. While Vijay Diwas does commemorate India's stellar military victory against Pakistan in the 71 war, its significance is much bigger and deeper. In real terms, India participated in the liberation war of Bangladesh, shoulder to shoulder with the heroic Mukti Bahini as a common force.